I want to start by thanking the students. Without them and their trust, I would not be receiving this award. My undergrad experience was not necessarily very traditional due to my own mistakes and really just a lack of purpose at that time. The only thing I did know during that confusing time was I just really wanted to help people, and that's remained really consistent for me. In time, I eventually became a 2-time graduate of SVSU, so my personal experiences really are what strongly motivate me to have support for our students in having a full and unique campus experience while exploring who they are personally and professionally. I strongly believe that student organizations can contribute greatly to the growth, especially with the number of diverse programs we have here to choose from. I think many of us can say that Jim Dwyer has positively impacted our life. Without Jim, I would not be receiving this award. He looked beyond my undergrad and gave me the first opportunity to work at SVSU. This has been one of the best things to happen to me, and I will continue to be grateful to him for this. I want to thank my family, friends, peers, and other supervisors who have and continue to support my involvement on campus. Dan Strauss, Gary Brosser, and Nick Taylor. Thank you to President Bashan, Provost Huntley, faculty and staff for cultivating an environment that promotes campus involvement. Like we always say, it's a great day to be a Cardinal.